If you want to enjoy a beautiful natural springs and eat a ton of pancakes, then we've got the place for you. Welcome to real Florida, y'all.
Hello!
Hi!
Welcome to natural Florida, the real Florida.
Non-theme park Florida.
Non-theme park Florida. So we are in De Leon Springs.
I love the French accent you put on that too.
Oh.
De Leon.
It's founded by Juan Ponce de Leon.
Which is actually Spanish, not French, but I still like that. It's good.
Sounds better like that.
It does.
The main reason we came here is because of
the Old Sugar Mill Pancake House, which is a draw we have heard about in Florida for a very long time. A very famous make-your-own pancake house with Southern hospitality and a griddle right in front of you.
Yes, so what they do, they bring you out like a pitcher of pancake batter that's made with like 5 different stone ground flours, and you can build your own pancakes.
Can't wait.
You can get like all the toppings too.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
Yeah, like chocolate chips, bananas, apples, all the foods.
Now, we also came here because it's a beautiful springs. We like, Florida has so many like natural springs to come to, and it's surrounded by these like beautiful, like swampy, mossy trees. So you get a little bit of nature and a lot of bit of pancakes, and I will take that deal every day.
Indeed, and I think this is where like the Fountain of Youth is said to be housed in the springs.
10 minutes later after finding the Fountain of Youth, Michelle looks like...
I wish. Just kidding, I don't wish that.
It's the power of movie magic. The park is open 365 days a year, but this place fills up during the summer months, so we decided to try the non-peak season. If you come here really early, you can be one of the few cars in the parking lot. We pretty much have the place to ourselves, and we have 1 hour before the Pancakery opens to go exploring. As we approach the springs, like right now we're here in December and it's actually a little chilly.
Yes.
Yeah, like I am unfortunately dressed like with no clothes and very flamboyantly, and Michelle had the right idea in a hoodie. But the springs are always like, was it 72 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be freezing.
Yep.
I'm very afraid of that shrinkage.
Yeah, she's...
The average Central Florida theme park ticket is over $100 per day. Or you can pay $4 per vehicle to experience the natural beauty of true Florida. People come here for 2 reasons: the crystal clear natural springs and make your own pancakes in the old Spanish sugar mill. This place is steeped in history, and the mill itself is over 100 years old. But don't worry, the pancakes are fresh.
The thing that's really neat about all of Florida Springs, and I'm sure it's springs everywhere, you just look and you can see straight down to the bottom because the water is just so fresh and so clear.
Florida does have so many springs to choose from. We've been to Wekiva, we've been now to here, we've been to Disney Springs, and what? They're all natural, beautiful. It's just, there's some nature.
You a mess.
All right, Michelle, tell us if it's cold or not.
Make sure I don't fall in first.
Oh my gosh, that would be awful, but...
It's actually warmer than I thought it was gonna be.
Are you serious?
Yeah, like it's warmer than the ocean that we've been in the last couple days.
You ready for pancakes?
Yeah.
You want some pancakes?
I'm gonna try some maple syrup.
Yeah.
Woo woo!
Sure, we've all had pancakes before, but it's hard not to get excited when you walk into this historic DIY pancakery. It smells like your grandma's inside making some buttery pancakes, and the staff will treat you like family.
I am so excited. Their prices are so cheap.
There was a straight up line to get in here. This place is popular.
I have to fight the old people to get here.
I have never been more excited to cook my own food.
Same.
This is like the southern breakfast style of hibachi.
Yeah.
You know? All right, so we put in our order, and you have the all-you-can-eat pancakes. Comes with 2 different types of flour. Batter, excuse me, 2 different types of batter. But then you get to pick all your like extras that you want to go with it. So it's, you know, it's only $5.75 for the pancakes, but you can get, you know, I pay $1.95, I get banana slices or chocolate chips or granola, fresh made granola. So there are a lot of options on here. Once you get seated around your very own electric griddle, it's time to be your own pancake mixologist. You get 2 different types of batters, and then you can order extras like fresh fruits, granola, and pecans to make it just a bit more extra. And if that wasn't enough, you can then pour over some syrup, local raw honey, or molasses. All of these choices just made me feel like the southern version of the Swedish chef.
Oh, it's good. Oh, yeah.
Is it worth it?
Mm-hmm. That honey was a happy accident, as Bob Ross would say.
Now the moment of truth. My banana granola pancake. Oh, that's so good. It didn't take too long for us to feel full, but we were having such a good time making pancakes that we kept eating anyway. It's definitely worth unbuttoning the pants and making a little more room.
That was a good one with the granola, the banana, and the chocolate chip. A good combo.
This is some work, and it's hot in here, but it's worth every bit of it. These are delicious pancakes. This is like what a Cracker Barrel wants to be when it dreams. We just finished at the old Sugar Mill Pancake House. Number one, I know we made them ourselves, but we didn't make the batter, but that's some of the best pancakes I've ever had at any place in my life. Would you agree?
Yeah, it was phenomenal. And they said there's 5 different flours in there. I know we named some of them, but buckwheat was one. And once you like got the taste of it, you're like, oh yeah, that's definitely buckwheat. Like if you've ever had a buckwheat crepe before, oh my gosh. And we figured out a little hack. If you take the butter and you sliver it and then you put it in the batter as it's cooking on the griddle, it tastes so good.
It's like the pancake equivalent of a Juicy Lucy burger. You know,
Yes.
You bite into the butter, and I mean, we're leaning into the buttery, pancakey goodness.
Yeah, it's still good. And normally I'm not a sweet person for breakfast. I like savory, but this was the best sweet breakfast I've ever had. So we got here really early. We got up early with the baby and drove all the way down here, and we were second in line, and it filled up really fast.
There's not a lot of seats in there.
No, there's not. So like there's a wait list. So I mean, you have the beautiful springs to wait around while you're waiting for your food, but it's just, whew, it's worth the wait.
Yeah, I would say we're here in December, and it's very pleasant. It's still warm. I imagine it's pretty hot in August and September, but we're absolutely worth coming here. So we absolutely loved it, and now we're gonna float our fat pancake butts in that water.
Because there's nothing better than getting in a bikini after all-you-can-eat pancake breakfast.
Right on. You ate too many pancakes, girl.
No,
I'm just kidding.
I didn't even get any.
Now we're gonna figure out how cold this water is. I'm a little nervous because the older I get, the less I like cold water. It's cold. I can't have any more children. Whew, it's frigid. It's frigid. But I see 3 turtles over there. Turtle heads poking out. The good kind. And that's how you know you're in a beautiful natural springs. The springs maintain a year-round temperature of about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The main spring is a merge point of 2 underground water flows and produces over 14 million gallons of water each day. I tried to swim down into the boil and was amazed at how hard the current pushed me back to the surface. But keep a lookout for the local turtles. They seem to have no problem.
Hi. Are you having a fun day at your first state park? Best day ever.
It's cold. It's very refreshing. So, Michelle, I think you're going to love it.
Oh, I'm excited.
But just be warned.
I'm warned.
All right, Michelle. You got this.
I hate this.
Just go for it.
Oh, it's a lot colder than it was earlier.
Trust me, just go for it. I don't know if she's enjoying it the way I wanted her to. Well, we pretty much have the whole place to ourselves, though. I guess that's one thing about this time of year. It is not busy in the springs. So if you deal with the cold, it's worth it.
That feels really good after sweating while breastfeeding and cooking pancakes over a hot griddle.
Pancake swimming, y'all.
Hi.
Okay, let's go see. All right, hold on to my neck. There we go. There we go.
Look at that belly.
Look at that.
Look at that belly.
Okay, you ready?
Oh, it's gonna be cold. Whoa. Whoa. What do you think? This is the perfect place to relax and take a nap. Exhibit A.
Okay, so the old Spanish Mill Pancake House also has a grill, and they grill hamburgers, cheeseburgers, and hot dogs, things like that. So we have fresh fries, and these are Sidewinder fries. Like, I'm impressed with a Sidewinder fry.
Like the ones we got the other day.
And a delicious looking burger with 4 perfectly placed pickles. As if pancakes weren't enough, we needed to do this.
It's lunchtime now.
Lunchtime. All right, my wife has just informed me that they make all of their bread in-house here. So, this bread looks delicious. That burger's thick and juicy. Let's give this mofo a try.
Mmm, that sounded good.
That's crunchy bread, which I love on a burger. But that is a thick cut seasoned patty. And the pickles, oh, Michelle loves pickles. That's perfection.
Mmm, that's a good
on a
looking
nice
burger.
Springs day.
Mmm. Oh my God. This takes me right back to my favorite hometown establishment in upstate New York. It's no longer open, but Cleo's. Tastes just like a Cleo's burger. So good.
If you're saying this tastes like a small town burger, I think that's a big compliment. No regrets.
Mm.
Well, we're finished for today.
It was such a nice day today, and it's only like 2 o'clock, so we've been here since 8, so a good 6 hours. So that's $1 an hour.
Yeah. $6 to get in is so cheap for such a beautiful area with, I mean, I feel like a lot to do for a natural springs area.
Yeah, it was so relaxing, so chill. It wasn't near as crowded as I thought it was gonna be. At one point we had the springs to ourselves, which was so nice.
Yeah.
And it's great that they have food here too.
Good food. Like, not just food, like legitimately good food.
I'm gonna dream of that burger.
Yeah, it was a great day. Florida has so many springs, and you know, I was looking at the history of this place, and like back before Disney opened, there were all these like kind of roadside attractions or natural springs and attractions areas all over the place, and they're still there. You just got to look for them a little bit. They're not as prevalent now that people travel to like one destination, but this is a place to travel to. Really loved it today.
Yeah, highly recommend.
We'd come back here.
Mm-hmm.
We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, please hit that like button. It really does help, and we look forward to sharing more adventures with you on MiCaleb Goes West.
Bye.